Hey everyone, I'm Andrew and today we're going to be talking about recycling, what it is and how it works. So you've probably all heard about recycling or seen this label on a plastic water bottle, metal food can, or cardboard box. But have you ever wondered what recycling really means? Or what happens to items after you throw them away? Well, today we're going to find out. So recycling is kind of like giving trash a second chance. You see, when we don't recycle, trash doesn't just disappear. It's buried in what we call a landfill. But instead of throwing some items away, we can recycle them so that they can be turned into something new that can be used again. Think about a plastic water bottle. If you throw it into the trash, it goes to a landfill where it can take over 400 years to break down. But if you recycle it, that same water bottle can be transformed into something new, like a t-shirt or a backpack. Cool, right? And it's not just plastic. Recycling paper, aluminum cans, and glass bottles also help save resources and energy. For example, recycling one aluminum can saves enough energy to power your TV for 3 hours. That's because making new aluminum takes a lot of energy. But when we recycle aluminum, the can goes straight into being melted down and made into something new. It's faster, easier, and way better for the planet. And that's just one can. Imagine if everyone recycled all their cans. It adds up fast. Just one person, family, or school can make a big difference. This is because each item you recycle keeps trash out of landfills and conserves natural resources, which means a healthier planet for both humans and animals. Recycling saves and protects important resources like trees, water, and air. Okay, now let's dive into what you can and cannot recycle here in Montgomery County, Ohio. Knowing what belongs in the recycling bin and what doesn't makes a huge difference in keeping our recycling system working smoothly. You can recycle glass bottles and jars, steel and aluminum cans like from soup or dog food, plastic bottles, tubs, containers, and cups like for yogurt or butter, and paper products like newspapers, magazines, and cardboard and cartons. When you recycle, there are a few tips to help you recycle like a pro. Make sure your recyclables are empty, clean, and dry to avoid contamination. Place items directly into the bin, not in a plastic bag. You can mix all recyclables together, no need to separate. For plastic bottles, empty and reattach the lids before recycling. For cartons, just remember to remove plastic caps and straws. Now, for what you can't recycle in your curbside recycling bin, do not recycle hazardous waste, batteries, sharp objects, or plastic bags, styrofoam, clothing, or sheets, metal items like hangers or chains, buckets, pots, pans, or light bulbs, food and yard waste. These items should go into a special place called the composting bin, but that is for a different video. So the next time you throw something away, remember, away is somewhere. Every bottle, can, or piece of paper you recycle helps keep our planet healthier and safer for all of us. Recycling gives trash a second life while helping protect the planet we all call home. Together, we can turn the tide on the trash wave and make a big difference, one small step at a time.